Hello, good morning, guys. Sanjos, good morning. Lizzie Kimoto, good morning. I can see you guys. Let's wait for more people, around 10 people, and then we can start the morning analysis. For those people watching me live on TikTok, I'm live on my YouTube channel. That's where you're going to be able to see this live stream from. And yeah, TikTok haikangi sana naifunga after a few minutes. If you can hear me clearly on YouTube, just say hi, good morning. And if the screen is clear on your side, just let me know. Benjamin, good morning. Fred, Puasana. This is free mode. And for these people on my TikTok, I'm live on YouTube. Let me end this TikTok live stream because so you guys can go and watch me on YouTube. Benson, good morning. Puasana, Tina Wamboi. Okay, Nisawa. So let's start the morning analysis. I'll share the screen and then we start. Okay, and don't forget to hit that like button as we continue the analysis. And let's start with Forex Factory so you can be able to be aware of the fundamentals of Forex Factory. Okay, so on Forex Factory, this is on Wednesday. And checking on Wednesday, we have CPI GBP Shapita. It's 9:46 I. Jioni 9 p.m. we have FOMC minutes. Hakuna rates leo. FOMC leo kuna FOMC ni meeting minutes. So hakuna rates. Okay, so this is the first time we're going to expect Kevin Washington speech. Okay. And if they're hawkish on gold on USD, then we expect more drops on gold. Okay. I am. Now let's go now to the market. Now we are aware of what is happening today. Now we can go directly to the market. I have tried to check more of the several currency pairs. There's something I've noted. Kwanzia jana hata analysis za jana, most of the pairs they are ranging. Because if you check like analysis za jana currency pairs, most of them they are just ranging, not making any impact. Actually, USDCHF ndo ina move peke yake, but most of the pairs they are just there ranging. On daily, one thing you're going to note is, and let me educate you something like here. Whenever you come to this is on a daily time frame, and when you come on a daily time frame, unaona there's a market imeacha nini? Imeacha this OB. So this is USDCHF, and most of the time up I talk about correlation, and I usually use USDCHF also to have a comprehensive view of gold. And USDCHF, as you can see from the daily time frame, the market is really bullish. So if the market is bullish on USDCHF, meaning on gold, we are on bearish. That is it. So when come on a daily time frame, now know that this market is going to break this area and then retest, and then we continue buying. So on 4 hours, coming back on 4 hours, there's not any order block left. This is not an order block, but there's not any order block visible from this market structure. Okay. On 2 hours, the same case, there's no any order block which is left there. On 1 hour, same case on 1 hour we don't have, unless you just wait for a break and retest, and that's the only way we can just have an entry on these. We can have an entry on USDCHF. And those people watching me on TikTok, I'm live on my YouTube. So that's the YouTube. So just go to YouTube because I'll end this live stream just right now. Okay. So what I see on USDCHF, we can have a re-entry on USDCHF from here for mobiles only. Mobiles from just a break and retest because we don't have any other entry, no order block visible from that structure, and we have a re-entry for more continuation of mobiles. Okay, when I check on USD card, same. I've said that most of the pairs I have tried to analyze them before I come Nikuji Sai live on YouTube. I've tried to check them. Most of them, they are not making any movement. They're just ranging. This is an example of, now we go this GBPCHF. Let's go GBPCHF. Now, this GBPCHF, GBPCHF has a good re-entry. We can have a re-entry from this particular level of this order block here. We can have a re-entry on GBPCHF from there. For mobiles on GBPCHF from there. USD card, I can't recommend anybody to take a trade on USD card today. There's too much consolidation that is happening there. Now we got to AUDSD, the same case, too much consolidation. You see, this market has been there for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Over 17 or 20 hours, the market is still on the same level. Unless we wait for this market to just come here. And AUDSD, let me see on the comment section, AUDSD has a positive correlation with which pair? Let me see on the comment section. They keep up the record on what I teach. AUD has a positive correlation with which pair? Just comment down below. Yeah, XAUSD. That's true. So it's because of we talk about like XAUSD, which is gold, and AUDUSD, they have a positive correlation because AUD ni kama gold. In Australia, they mine gold, and that's the reason why we have say that AUDUSD and XAUSD, they have a positive correlation with gold. So you find that the only re-entry we can have, you can manage this re-entry here with a very sniper, a tight stop loss. Let me just remove the drawings. Upper at this particular level, up on more cells, short positions from there with a stop loss of like around 10 pips, very tight stop loss there. It's not supposed to break there, and then we continue dropping. This will act as a also as a break and retest. GBPUSD, same case. GBPUSD has been ranging yesterday. You can clearly see this one candlestick here 1 hour. The reason why I'm saying that most of the pairs, they are ranging. Let me remove all the trends. Yesterday we were bearish on GU. Yes, we are correct because we are sells on GBPUSD. But now the reason is this market is on a ranging, and the ranging market inaweza kusumbua sana. What I mean is, can you check this one candlestick ya 1 hour? Inapiga ni kama imepiga movement yote ya jana, and you can create this movement. Hii movement hata haijafika more than 10 pips from here to here, or these 30 pips. So the market is ranging too much. If one candlestick ya 1 hour ina cover up the whole movement ya jana, the way the market inashinda. So try to avoid this market because you won't make money here. Utashinda tu on the same level, and this one can be so exhausting mentally and psychologically for you to take such an entry on such. Just give the market some time, ianze kumove. Euro USD, same case. I woke up today in the morning and I saw the market in a range up for so long kabisa. So you just give this market a time until it's a breakout. At least this one iliobe jana because we said this is a break and retest. And though actually sijauliza how many people followed yesterday analysis and they made money apart from gold, because I came back later in the afternoon and we talked about gold. We were trading here, but currency pairs, like I'd given these most sales on this Euro USD and the buyers also on GU. If you have not watched that video, you can go back and watch that video, yesterday's video. Now at this level here, I can be able to give you another entry on Euro USD because if you check it on 1 hour, it's ranging. Another thing is on 4 hours, it has already made a new low. Is it, let's see, is it not an order block imeguza ama imefanya nini? So I still see more potentials for sales on Euro USD. And is this not a flag that this market is forming? Not a flag? Is this not a bearish flag that this market is forming below? So I still expect for more sales here, for more sales. And you know, how many people know how we trade a flag? Can someone comment below? So this one indicate for more sales. How many people know how we trade a flag? If this is a flag, this indicate for more drop on this Euro USD. So don't try to buy, it's more sales. Same case, basi kama you're selling Euro USD, same case, more sales on GBP USD. If you are a risk taker, unaweza chukua stop loss ya 30 pips or 40 pips, but more sales pia. Your stop loss ya GU, if I kwa hapa, these levels, na hizo ni stop ni pips mingi, unaweza pata that's around 50 pips. That's 40 pips. So I still expect for more sales on GU for it to drop. Najua GU drop. Naona like ija cover up this movement the same way as Euro USD it means it's on a lower low. So I still expect for more drops on GU. I still expect for more drops on Euro USD. Let's go to Euro AUD. On Euro AUD, yesterday we expected the market to come back here. This was a liquidity entry using daily market haikukuja. Let's remove all the drawings and then tutoe pia hii alert tulikuwa tumeweka, delete. And when you come here on daily in Euro AUD, nimekuwa nikimba the way we are going to catch a very good swing because I'm seeing more buys on it. When you come on 4 hours, can we expect a more retracement level on 4 hours? Had easy levels. I think these are the same levels tulikuwa tuna target jana. So let's wait for the market irudi to those levels. We continue buying Euro AUD. Wait for it to drop all the way back here, and then we continue buying. Will it be a retest of the trend line? Just let's try to see this, how the trend line itakuwaje. Yeah, it will be a retest of this trend line. Yeah, it's a break and a retest. It's a break and a retest. Yeah. So that's the levels of Euro AUD. We are going to target for more buys from there. Let's go to EuroCAD. EuroCAD, yesterday we were selling from here, this break and retest and this order block pair. I gave this entry pair. You can go back and confirm from yesterday. So far it has moved how many pips? It may drop. That's around 61 pips. Signal 61 pips. That's $600 with lot size here one. So same case on today. Is this not a flag? This market is forming below. Is this not a flag? I still expect for more drops. This is a flag. This is not a reversal. So usikuja hapa and then useme market, unaona market itapanda. This indicate for more drops. It's a bearish flag and I expect for more drops on this pair on EuroCAD. Okay, let's go to GBP card. GBP card, we gave this sales here because of break and meters, but too much ranging. Can we check it properly on 4 hours? Kuja 4 hours, able to take a line chart. Very nice. What can you see, guys? There's something I'm seeing. What can you see from that structure? Nikeka line chart. Can someone just comment down hapo? Let me see kama mnaelewa what tunafanya hapa. From that picture, what can you see? Nitaanza niwaeleze kwanza na huku juu. Huku juu kuna fair swing, change of character, kuna reversal ya head, shoulder na shoulder. The market imefanya break and retest hapa, of which we have an order hapa hivi. We had an order block on one hour nini. No, it was a break and retest, but on 4 hours nikeka line chart, there's something I can see. Not a double top. John Mokoba anasema double top, not a double top. Oh, is it double top? Not the double top position. There's a structure here. We can clearly see from there. What structure is there? Failure swing. Yeah, Simon Kamau. It's a failure swing. I can see a failure swing and a change of character. I still expect for more drops on this pair. I still expect for more drop on this pair. Ishuke kabisa. That's on GBP card. Now we are on GBP AUD. When it comes to GBP AUD, this is on 4 hours. Let's go to daily time frame. This market is bullish. 4 hours. We have an order block left there. Remove the trends. And this order block aligns also with the reversal of an inverted head and shoulder. So meaning more buys are from this particular level. You can clearly see. So meaning we are going to have more buys from here. Market ipande hivyo. So you can leave your pending orders hapa. So which pending orders can we leave here? Let me see on the comment section. We have around 36 people. And guys, don't forget to hit that like button. We have over 40 people and 10 likes. Hit that likes. And then also comment down below which pending order can we leave there. Which pending order? Which pending order can we leave there from the comment section? Let me see. Yeah, it's a buy limit. It's a buy limit. John Mwangi, yes, we can leave a buy limit there. Okay, so that's pretty much good. Anjao buy limit ama, yes, it's a buy limit. Yeah, most of the people they got it. So let's go to the next one. USD JPY pairs have not been analyzing them or trading them for the past like 3 weeks. These spikes zake is known as spikes. That's the reason why I have not been like buy stop is not a buy stop. Grace is not a buy stop. These JPY pairs I have not been analyzing them. Let's go to AUD and ZD. So when it's come to AUD and ZD, this is on a daily time frame. This market I see more sales. Basi. Kama jana daily ilifunga hivi, let's go to 1 hour kidogo. Ai, kwani leo iko aje market ya leo? Is it moving? And yesterday, how did the market close? I see more sales on this pair. This ndo tulikuwa tunabuy jana. I see more sales. Considering we have a failure swing, we have a change of character, we have a retest, we have a head and shoulder, I still see more sales on this pair. And come to 4 hours, shows me it's like a flag. See, it's a more drops on this pair. It's a retested this order block, which is here. So this one, it's more drops on this pair. I still expect more sales on it with a stop loss there and more sales zikuwe hivyo on AUD and ZD. Yeah. Let's go to CAD JPY. No, JPY pairs, I said they are out of my analysis until it is stabilized. So Euro JPY, CAD JPY, we are skipping them. We go to oil. Oil tangu jana imeshinda ikirange hapo hapo na bado jaguza stop loss yetu. The market has been ranging on oil since yesterday hapo kabisa. So I'll skip it. So any ranging market, I try to avoid it. AUD card, we had these sales from here. The reason why we were waiting for these sales from there, the market didn't come back again to there. We can look forward for more sales from this particular level. Na kuna pia fulani inafanana kama hii setup tumeona kama hii. For more sales from that level, and then we continue selling. That's on AUD card. Bitcoin yesterday we were targeting this liquidity, market haiko activate. So meaning kama haiko activate this liquidity, today is not a liquidity again. So isha iko invalidated. It's no longer a liquidity. Let's come back to daily. Currently, actually the market is on the now liquidity mahaliko. Sasa unaona liquidity ya jana iwezi kuwa liquidity ya leo hata kama iko activatiwa. So hiyo iliisha hivyo. So currently where the market is right now, it's on a liquidity which is the level iko sahi. So let's see on a daily time frame. On a daily time frame, is there anything we can see? Bado hujafika zile level zetu tulikuwa tunataka. Let me show you. Yeah, I see more sales on Bitcoin. More sales on Bitcoin. More sales on Bitcoin. And then we go to GBP and ZD. Oh, it has done a failure swing and a change of character. Let's go to daily time frame. But daily shows us the market is bullish. Let's go to 4 hours. The market is supposed to come back again to this retest here. And we come back to 2 hours. Yet we have a failure swing. So we have a short buys from here. Ikifika hapo, you short buys all the way to this failure swing and change of character, all they had hapo hivyo, and then we can be able to see whether the market confirm for now another sells from there, because kuna structure mbili ziko hapa. So ilitest tena hapo, and then setups zinafanana hivyo. Yeah, for those people watching me on TikTok, I'm live on YouTube. That's why you can be able to see more analysis like this analysis I'm doing. Let's go to Euro NZD. On Euro NZD, let's go on a daily and see a clear direction. For me, this market, nabona on daily kabisa imeshindwa ku break this particular level. Can we wait to see it do a failure swing and a change of character? Because right now we have a failure swing, but the market has not changed character. So until you can only react with this market the moment it change character way down hapo, so you can make a conclusion on it. So just give it more time. And then NZD card. NZD card, we were waiting for it this particular level. Yesterday didn't activate that level. And the reason, let's see on a daily time frame. Yes, the market is bearish. Let's come back on 4 hours, 2 hours. There is a failure swing, there's an order block. So come to activate that level. So for more potential more sales on today, we can be able to activate these sales on this area. This is NZ. And today we have so many good setups. I've noticed nilikuwa nimeangalia market vibaya, but I noticed we have so many good setups today. So you can watch these videos slowly on how I advise you. So that's on NZD card, and can give you how many pips? A potential of around 60 pips. So 0.20 on $60. Just know that na hii stop loss yake inaweza kuwa $10 ama $15. Uh, I think we have exhausted US30 and really analyzed the US30 and NAS 100. We got GGen. I see someone akicomment nimeangalia GBP JPY, but I say that these JPY pairs I'm rarely doing analysis on them. Hizi spike zake ziko too much for me to just give you a view. Currently, the market is reacting from yesterday's liquidity on GBP JPY. That's on a daily time frame. That's what I can see. And when I check on 1 hour, no, I can't give you any view on these JPY pairs. Just avoid them. Keep my words. Let me keep my words. I think I've exhausted the analysis. Is that a failure swing? And what is that? I didn't get that. Your comment near Wapi. So for those people watching me on TikTok, I'm live on YouTube. So can we just go through all the pairs we have analyzed? Oh, no. Now let's do gold. Okay, sorry. I think we have exhausted all the analysis. I've done more than 30 pairs. Now, gold is always our last pair. And when it comes to XAUSD, on today's episode, because I'm bearish on gold, the only potential liquidity we have is this. This is the only sorry. This is the only potential liquidity we have. I had already marked it. So liquidity iko hapa ya leo ya sales. So wait for the market ikuja hapa, and you guys know how to confirm liquidity entry. An example of a liquidity entry ni kama hii yenye tulipata jana. Naona kama this one, it has to swipe and then the movement. This one is a market inatupea over how many pips? Over 400 pips na liquidity. So when it comes to today imeisha, tuanze to delete hivyo. So today liquidity ya leo iko hapa. Can you just see it? Haiko hapa. Iko wapi? Iko hapa. Watu wa now ICT wakikuja hapa na watu wa session liquidity wanaanza kusema kwambia liquidity ziko wapi huku hivi. Just stick to this one liquidity peke yake. Hii yenye iko hapa peke yake. Don't tell me pia ya chini imeswipe liquidity. Ala. I had not seen that today lows was ilikuwa imeswipe, because if I put that I see today's low market ilikuwa imeswipe liquidity, because this is more than 50%. This is the movement ya leo. Nikeka hapa, this is more than 50%. The market imekuja imeswipe liquidity. Oh wow, and now it's moving. These are how many pips so far? It's moved over 200 pips. Okay, so the only unaona liquidity ya chini imetumika, so the only liquidity imebaki ni hii liquidity ya juu ya hapa. Yeah. So if you want to really catch those good sales, you can be able to catch them here. Don't try to catch those sales hapa. Consider this market imeswipe liquidity inasaidia na chini. Remember my advice when I talk to you guys, I said this. Ni kama jana niliwaambia be very careful. Ni hapa liquidity ilikuwa hapa juzi. Be very careful na ile market inafungukanga ina swipe liquidity. Unaona that day ilikuja kama imeshuka the whole day pia jana. Ikizinua ile swipe liquidity inasaidia hivyo. Ongoja hadi irudi kwa hiyo liquidity ingine. So the same case today, consider this market imeswipe liquidity inasaidia chini. Don't try to kungangana na hizo sales hapa katikati. Hello Chris. Morning too. Okay. Okay. Hata siko sure. Abu nakuja. So what I'm saying is be very careful. So ukianza kungangana na hizo sales is still early for you to kungangana na hizo sales hapa. Yeah, any question up to that point? Where are these people going? Guys, for those people watching me on TikTok, go live on YouTube. What wako YouTube huku ndo wana watch. You see I have over 40 people there. Let me end the live stream on TikTok. So any question hadi hapo? Someone is saying, explain more how to distinguish a failure swing. So, okay, a failure swing and a change of character. What else? What else? Any other question? Any other question? I think I've exhausted. And today we have so many setups. So check them out. Check them out, kabisa. Any question hadi hapo? Someone saying Euro USD. Euro USD free mode. I gave more sales on Euro USD. As I said, more sales on Euro USD. Euro USD more sales, more sales. more sells, and you can be able to catch this entry using flag. And let me tell you this, we have around 35 people here. When you say like a flag, know how to trade. Not just yesterday when I was teaching you about knowing how to trade, don't usikuwe na half information. By half information, I mean like today we will say like this is a flag. A flag you just enter, and there's a difference between information you gather on YouTube and the one you get it from a mentor, someone who tells you how to trade a flag. Like let me educate you something today. So whenever you come to such a situation, like here we have a flag, and this is the thing I'll explain before I cut my live stream. So this is a flag. So a flag iko hivi, it's a bearish flag. So for me, a flag, one thing, the market is not supposed to, the flag for a flag to be valid, it's supposed to be either above a zone or katikati square kwa like maybe demand or supply. Let me mention this. The market is moving from demand, supply, demand. So my flag is either to happen just below the flag or within the zone. Unaona hapa katika ni hapa katikati, but not either kwa supply or kwa demand. You can clearly see our flag today, it's just below the zone. This is the low, the market has broken below, and then it's just below. Another thing is, now when it's come to this flag, the flag is creating like another sort of ranging. Now, a bearish flag, according to the book says, wait for the market to break below, so you can take your entry there, and a stop loss above. So if your stop loss will be that way, your stop loss is supposed to be that way. But you find that if you take that, that's a huge risk. So for me, I recommend wait for the market to come back the upper side of the flag, and risk with a stop loss that way. You get me? This will reduce your risk compared to having your setup as this way. Because even if you take your setup right now, your stop loss is supposed to be there. Even if you take your entry, your stop loss is supposed to still there, remain there. But if you take your entry, no, if you take your entry there, your stop loss remain there. If you take entry there, the stop loss still remain there. But if you take your entry here, the stop loss remain there. Why can't you wait the market until it comes to the upper side of a flag so you can be able to reduce the risk? And that's how I like trading a flag. So I hope you have learned something from that. Any other question? Any other question? And we have 14 likes. Guys, can we hit those like button? We have over 40 people live stream on YouTube. We need to hit those more likes. Can we hit those likes? Any question? Any question? Any question? As yesterday I did, I'll try to come back later in the, what time should I come? 1:30 or 2, or during New York session? I'll try to come like 1:30 or 2 p.m. so as I still come back live again, and we can see any entries, we can be able to catch them. But for now, you can watch all those entries I've given. Most of the entries, they look good today. So someone is asking, I give a stop loss on XAUSD. Now, anajitu nani? Korea. So the thing is, when it comes to liquidity, we don't give stop loss, because stop loss is created by the yenye itakuwa hapo hivyo. Like we come here, this is on 5 minutes. Na nimewawarn msijaribu kusell hiyo gold hapo maliko. So the thing is, market ikikuja hapa i-confirm liquidity, because inaweza kuja hapa na i-violate. And by violating is, let's say this liquid market ikuja with a 5 minutes candlestick ifunge above strong bullish, it's an invalidated. But if the markets come, if swipe the body ifunge chini, it's a valid liquidity for us to take an entry. That's what we use for confirmation. And once we have a confirmation, now we can be able to have a stop loss. Now, that's how we take entries. I hope you have learned something from that. And also, I'm still announcing that I'm coming to Mombasa. So for those people who are on the live stream and they are looking forward to learn Forex, I'm coming to Mombasa, a 3-week bootcamp. So it's not like a one session, it's a 3-week bootcamp training. So if you're in Mombasa, just hit me up, and then I can organize and give you the details of when I'm coming and where I'll be. Any other question? Any other question? How many likes do we have so far? 22. Can we hit more likes? 30 likes. 30 likes zitakuwa zimetosha. And then I'll come back at 1:30. 1:30, that's when I'll come back. So you can watch out these setups. Kaa chini na kitabu, uchambue one by one, and then yeah. And also, before kuna watu na scalpingi, let me mention this. Before unapata like there's someone who want to scalp huku katikati. Kama gold, unaona venye gold na move sahi, anataka kuscalp before market ifike kwa liquidity. It's risky, but one thing I can recommend you is that before to scalp, ufinye hizo scalping, can you just be able to check the liquidity, angalia market venye na move? Because unaona kama sasa hivi venye meswipe liquidity na chini, it's very easy with this market to push way higher kabisa huko hivi. But now ukikuja tu sahi wewe na intuition zako, thoughts of like the market is still a sell, the market is still a sell, no, itakukimbiza sana. Someone is saying a failure swing. You made me believe currencies ziko na pesa. Yes, currencies pia ziko na pesa. Yeah, currencies ziko na pesa. Because akina Euro AUD, Euro NZD, those currencies they have good money. If you ukizihold true zinakupea very good amount of pips. A failure swing and a change of character. A failure swing is when the market is on an uptrend and then inashindwa kumake a new high, and that's when the market changed the character to a now bearish. So we target ourselves from this particular level here after the change of character here. You can case the market was creating high highs, high lows, high highs. Now the market has done a failure swing and a change of character. So a failure swing, don't trade it, we trade the change of character. So that's the market retest, you can be able to take your entries there. Any other thing? How many likes do we have? 24. With over 40 people, we need 30 more likes for today's live stream. Okay. Any other question? So failure swing is equal highs, and the market has to break on the low. Equal in the not the market has to break the low. And the market is creating a series of high highs, high lows, high highs, high lows. So once ikifika pale juu, it should not make a new high, and then you break na side na chini. We consider that the market now is changing the character from a bullish trend to a bearish. The same case that applies also when the market is changing from a bearish to a bullish. Yeah. Na leo screen yangu iko very clear. Is it true guys? Naona screen yangu is very clear kwa ama mi naangalia kwa TV naona my screen is very clear. Okay, thank you so much. Yeah. Any other question? Any other question? Any other question? Guys, I've been requesting for you guys to tap the like. We have over 40 people and we have 24 likes. So meaning not everybody on this live stream ameweza kutap nini, kutap the like button. Iko very yes, iko clear kabisa. Okay, thank you very so much. Yeah, okay, I think I've exhausted. So let me exit this live stream. I'll come back later at 1 p.m. Okay, bye-bye.